Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 18 of the new Mudroom project. So we're waiting on our rough inspection, and we don't have an exact day when that's going to happen yet. But in the meantime, I was just checking a bunch of things off the punch list, and one of the things we had to do was we had to get the closet framed in. And so this is all softened to receive the track hardware, so the doors are going to slide left and right. And as you can see, the closets are actually offset. We have one smaller closet and one bigger closet. And so we have two 36-inch doors, and we're going to have a little bit of an overlap there. So we had to do a little bit of figuring on how to make that work. The other thing that we did with this was we have a space above because we have nice tall ceilings here, and after a conversation we figured that if we frame that in and put a little box there with a couple of cabinet doors, that can be some high storage for long-term storage. You definitely don't want to be going up and down there on a daily basis. The other thing we had to do was we had to put a little bit of hardware on the shed door, and so we don't want this sagging over time, so we just got some angle brackets here, and they stuck into where the trim molding is, so that all had to get carved and cut in there so that we have a minimum of air seepage, and we can't see any light, so that's pretty good. And we got a chance to sit down with the homeowners and just kind of go over their expectations and see where they're at. And they had a couple things on the punch list they'd like to see, and we had a couple conversations about things that have come up. So that's important to just kind of keep tabs on the project, particularly from their perspective. So that was it. That's the end of day 18. Hopefully we'll get a call tomorrow and they'll schedule the inspection. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going with a little punch list and then just getting everything ready for drywall, which means a lot of strapping around the corners so that we've always got an edge where we can put the drywall up to. So I hope you like it. Ask me any questions if you want down in the comment section. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on day 19.